Hey everybody, so today I wanted to put y'all on to some money. If you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you probably see my posts. So today we talking about Pinterest and how you can make these coins, bring these bands up, you know what I'm saying? But this is kind of new. Like, it's new, but it's not. People know about it, but people don't. It's not out there like Facebook Reels and YouTube. So I'm gonna put y'all on. Alright, so get y'all notepads and y'all pencil, pen, whatever y'all have ready to write with. First you're gonna need is a Pinterest business account in good standing. You need to be 18 and older, legal, and in the US or District of Columbia. Make sure you have a valid email. If you don't, make one up. Publish 3 idea pins in the last 30 days. If you have Pinterest, you know what I'm talking about already. If not, you know, just ask the question in the comments and I'll get back to you and help you out. And make sure you have 250 valid pin followers. So if you use Roblox for any of your followers, don't use it, because you ain't gonna qualify for the Creator Rewards program, baby. Nope. And make sure you have 150 saves of a published pin in the last 30 days. And you'll be invited to the Creator Rewards program. I'm just starting this out, y'all, so I don't have that much information on it, but I am a little educated on it. So if y'all have any more questions, drop it in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Peace.